Malik Ibrahim Malang was established for releasing the ideas of several East Java famous figures to establish Islamic higher educational institution under the Ministry of Religious Affairs. The unique characteristic of this university, as the implication of the scientific development model, is the obligation of all academicians to master Arabic and English. The university also developed the boarding school or pesantren in campus in which all first-year students must be. Institutionally, Win Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang has 7 faculties on undergraduate program. One of them is Faculty of Science and Technology. The Faculty of Science and Technology is one of the 7 faculties at Win Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang, officially established since 2002. The Faculty of Science and Technology is a project of Win Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang, which is expected to produce alumni who are able to integrate science and Islam. The vision of the Faculty of Science and Technology to become a faculty of excellent, trusted, competitive, and international reputation. Since 2017, the Faculty of Science and Technology has led by a dean named Dr. Sri Harini MSE. The Faculty of Science and Technology has 7 study programs. One of them is Biology Study Program. Biology Study Program consists of undergraduate program and postgraduate program. The vision of the Biology Study Program is the accomplishment of integrated biology study program incorporated with science and Islam to achieve international reputation. And the mission are to conduct excellent education and teaching in the field of biology that is integrated with Islamic fields, to provide conceptual mastery of biology and its application that are integrated with Islamic fields, to conduct the developed research in the field of biology and its application to produce reputable scientific work, and to empower people through integrated service activities in science and Islamic studies. To achieve the vision and mission, the Biology Study Program is supported by several facilities. Academic service. This is academic room service for the student of Biology Study Program of the Faculty of Science and Technology Win Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. The function of its academic room are laboratory and facilities permission, academic transcript verification, thesis and PKL observation, updates for academic information. This room opens service daily from Monday until Friday at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Meeting room. This is a meeting room for the Biology Study Program of the Faculty of Science and Technology Win Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang. The function of this meeting room is to get service, coordination, student thesis and PKL exam, special lecture, for workshop and seminar with a limited number of participants. Among the facilities provided in this room are 25 sets of table and chairs, whiteboard, LCD projector, 20-inch LCD screen, and air conditioner. This meeting room can be accessed by all members of the study program, but lecturer and student, by applying for permission to use it to the academic service room. Lecture room. We have the basic of lecture room. The first was main lecture room where the lecturer talk to each other, discuss work, eat, drink, and socialize while not in class. This model of this lecture room is to the lecturer to discuss each other regarding this research, lecture, and anything without limitation. The second type of lecture room based on laboratory. The lecture was taking place in laboratory that's suitable with their expertise. For example, the lecture room for a lecturer who is taking research in molecular biology was laboratory of molecular. However, science room in laboratory was limited. Only 2 lectures was taking place in laboratory. This management was made to provide a comfortable lecture room where lecturer can not only provide guidance to students in the room but also focus on writing the publication. Classroom. We have 6 classrooms which are Wi-Fi integrated, which is each equipped by LCD projector, whiteboard, bookshelf, a pair of lecture desks and chair, and 40 pair of student desk chair, and each class can accommodate up to 40 students. The classroom functional for teaching and learning activity purpose and are open from 6:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. on daily schedule. There are 3 class sessions before lunch break and 2 sessions after lunch break. Besides our inner class, we are facilitated by outer class to support our learning activity, which is direct observation or environmental-based study. Study room. Space interaction is very important as part of science building. The students usually use study room as a discussion space and also a study space where they do their tasks out of the class, individually or by groups. Here we have a soft seating for less formal discussion and also a set of hard seating for the students who need to be seriously and focused with their tasks. And good news, all these seating get used by our students. We design in order to create a space that aren't too public but also aren't too formal. With today's teach-enabled learning, access to electric outlet is crucial, so we've prepared in it our study room. Flat screen is being used to provide then in discussion. Another facility is the water dispenser where the student can get their free mineral water. There is also a printer where the student can print what they need. They only need to bring their laptop and their own printer. This space is an important ingredient to creating successful learning communities in our academic building, and we make sure that all we provide in this room are functioning. Library. The Library of Biology Study Program is a place to store a collection of books related to the science of biology. This library has around 3,060 book collection consisting of thesis, internship report, books in the field of botany, books in the field of zoology, books in the fields of microbiology and biotechnology, and books on ecology and environment. General knowledge that is still related of the biology field, for example, health, food and nutrition, integration of science and Islam. This book can only be read in the library room and cannot be borrowed to take home. This library is open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Other facilities such as a reading area, internet connection, discussion room, and can also hold lecture for elective course. The facilities in this room are air conditioner, LCD screen, e-book collection in computer. Laboratory of Animal Physiology. Laboratory of Animal Physiology is one of research laboratory at Biology Study Program. Experiments using experimental animals are carried out in this laboratory to determine the metabolism and tissue structure of animals. Various natural ingredients are applied in order to see the reaction in the animal's body. This laboratory is supported by several tools such as microtome, microscope, blood analyzer, incubator, centrifuge, and the other general tools. Experimental Animal Cage. Experimental Animal Cage is a supporting facility for the Animal Physiology Laboratory in maintaining experimental animals. In this laboratory, many experiments have been conducted, including animal model of diabetes, typhus, cancer, free radical, and so on. Laboratory of Animal Cell Culture. Laboratory of Animal Cell Culture is used both for student and lecture research in animal biotechnology. This laboratory consists of preparing room, culture room, and analysis room. This laboratory is supported by several tools for animal cell culture. The research currently being conducted in this laboratory are pancreatic cell culture and sheep endometrium cell culture. Laboratory of Plant Tissue Culture. Plant Tissue Culture Laboratory Biology Study Program has 3 rooms, consists of preparing rooms, planting rooms, incubating rooms. This laboratory is used for student and lecture research activity in the field of plant biology in order to produce superior varieties and varieties that are capable of producing optimum secondary metabolites. The species currently being developed in this laboratory are porang, Amorphophallus mulleri, and pomegranate, Punica granatum. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular consists 3 parts of room. First part is general room for the general activity of genetic and molecular research. Second part is the analysis room, and the last part is the laboratory head room. Laboratory of Genetic and Molecular Biology used for DNA, RNA, and protein analysis. It also used to conduct practical for advanced courses related with the genetic and molecular. Laboratory of Genetic Molecular Biology is supported by several tools such as centrifuge, PCR, RT-PCR, gel documentation, nanodrop, sequencer, laminar airflow, micropipette of various size, incubator, spectrophotometer, and the other general tools. Some of the research being carried out in the laboratory are genetic analysis of banana, genetic analysis of soybean, genetic analysis of Kosambi, genetic analysis of some bacteria, and RNA analysis of this lymphedemic rat. Laboratory of Microbiology. The Laboratory of Microbiology is used in research and education in basic microbiology, environment microbiology, application area of health and food microbiology, mycology, and related subjects. Laboratory of Microbiology is supported by human research who have education background of environment microbiology, food microbiology, biotechnology, and mycology. Laboratory of Microbiology is equipped by sophisticated equipment for teaching and learning process and research. These equipment are autoclave, centrifuge, spectrophotometer, and laminar airflow, microscope, microbial propagation room, and etc. Greenhouse. The greenhouse is one of the supporting facility outdoor for practicum and research based on plant cultivation. This supportive facility is located outside of the biology study program building but is still within the scope of an area. Can accommodate up to 40 until 50 students. The greenhouse facility can be accessed on a daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. One of the activities that are often carried out in the greenhouse is the cultivation of several local plants from East Java. These and other activities carried out were forming a botanical garden student group that carried out organic vegetable cultivation through hydroponic and aquaponic technique. Aviary. The aviary is another outdoor support facility useful for practicum and research activity based on observing birds activity. This aviary is also located outside of the biology study program building, can accommodate up to 5 until 10 students. This aviary facility can be accessed on daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Aviaries owned by the biology study program are made as closely as possible to their natural habitats in the wild. Through this aviary is often used as a learning medium for students to observe the technique activity of birds that are similar to those in the natural habitats. One of the birds collection contained in aviary is the Cucak Rawa. Laboratory of Ecology and Field Student Activity. The Laboratory of Ecology can support both indoor or outdoor research, including practice study for biodiversity and ecology-based course. The laboratory, which is located in the Department of Biology facility, can accommodate up to 40 until 50 students. The laboratory is well equipped by the latest field research equipment from basic to advanced, which can support exploration, monitoring, as well as environmental study. The laboratory can be accessed on daily schedule on working hours from 8 a.m. up to 4 p.m. Laboratory of Ecology activities mostly conducted in the field. Several locations that have been explored regularly by our team: Baluran National Park, Alas Purwo National Park, Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park, Karimun Jawa National Park, Meru Betiri National Park, Sempo Island Nature Reserve, and several Coban in East Java, Kondang Menang Beach and Forest Area, Ledo Amprong, Metro River, and many field research sites located in Malang Batu region.
Salam lestari, salam konservasi. We love biologi.